We've used David Sarkus 3 times in the last 6 years for SC&RA conferences. He has done an exceptional job in all 3 cases, delivering wonderful information for safety professionals throughout the country. In all cases, the information has been very well received, very practical, been very motivational, and we've had exceptional feedback, and we'd use them again.
I just want to say we've had an awesome experience here with David Sarkus, actually yesterday in Las Vegas and today in our Palm Desert office. David's done a tremendous job in terms of getting our annual safety kickoff meeting going. He's got everyone fired up, and I'm sure we're going to absolutely knock the doors off in terms of our safety performance in 2009.
Today's conference was really special. Actually, Dave was great in bringing forward the safety perspectives and what is required to create a change. And sometimes it's not only about educating people or only training, but it takes more than that to create a change within an organization. It's all about how to convince people, how to rock the boat sometimes, just to bring that change upwards. And Dave did a great job in rocking the boat today and motivating people by creating their internal emotions to drive them forward. Thank you very much, Dave.
My name is Greg Redekopp. I work for Basin Electric Power Cooperative in Bismarck, North Dakota. I'm the chairman for this year's 31st Annual Energy Generation Conference. David Sarkus was here as our keynote speaker, gave a wonderful message on safety. We really appreciated it. I talked to a number of operators from our power plants, the energy industry, who just really thought a lot of David's message and said thank you very much for David.
Liseth with Butler Machinery Company, and I'm at the EGC conference in Bismarck, North Dakota. Just sat through Dave's keynote speaking that he did, and what a fantastic message, and what a great foundation for companies moving forward and for life in general. I appreciated the time that he spent with us and the opportunity to listen to that discussion.
Yeah, I'm Bob Smith. I'm the director of all the demolition and deactivation work for Wassim Closure Hanford. We had Dave Sarkus come do a motivational safety talk to enhance our safety performance, and it's just a great talk, real motivation, a lot of good principles as far as working safe, taking care of your coworker, tying in the whole family values thing, and really motivating folks to work safer, and I think it will be put us on a good trajectory for the upcoming year to really work safe and get our injuries to zero. The whole goal of the talk was 0 injuries, and I think Dave showed a lot of clips and data that says, hey, 0 really is achievable. So I really appreciate it. I think it was a great talk, and I think it'll set us up good for 2000.
I'm Corporate Safety Director for Ness and Campbell Crane in Seattle, Washington, and Portland, Oregon. I just wanted to say what a great talk David did today to present safety in the crane and rigging industry and establishing business relationships and driving home the fact that positive enforcement, reinforcement to your employees and then working relationship with your business is what pays in the safety industry. And I just wanted to thank you for David's testimonial.
Hi, I'm Todd Mustard, and I'm from the Association of Union Constructors. We had David Sarkus come to our leadership conference, and he gave a great presentation. It was one that leading by the heart, and it touched our audience. It was the perfect message for our group. We'd highly recommend you guys using him if you have an opportunity.
Hi, my name is Rod Weber. I'm the Corporate Safety Director for the PENTA Building Group in Las Vegas, Nevada. We have 3 offices, one in Las Vegas, one in Reno, and one in Palm Springs, California. David Sarkus was our keynote speaker at all 3 locations and did a fantastic job, as well as 3 breakout sessions where we had all of our supervisors there for a 2-hour meeting to go over the 7 C's. David does a great job of instructing and teaching, and he's very knowledgeable, and he'll certainly help you improve your safety program. Good luck in the future, and be safe.
I'm Kurt Wilson with Ness Cranes, Vice President of Operations. I really enjoyed David's workshop. He has a lot of passion. It was an awesome message, and I got a lot out of it. It was awesome. Thank you.
This is Steve Heffern with ExxonMobil Corporation, U.S. And just want to give a couple words from, we had David come in and talk to us. It is our construction group across the U.S. He did it for our contract senior management. Very well done. Puts a lot of hilarious comments in his talks, and he has a lot of emotion. Good participation. He knows how to get his audience involved. I would encourage all of y'all. The 7 C's, I think, is well worth any money that you could ever spend, especially when it comes to safety. I just want to thank him again, and I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we do. Thank you.